Growing a business is actually extremely hard because of all the financial challenges, the things that come up and tear down, and the things you face and the walls that, you run into, without the help of the SBDC. I mean, holding hands with you and getting you through it. Sometimes you just really want to throw the towel in, you know what I mean? But we made it through it.
The University of Georgia Small Business Development Center helped us when we were first getting started. We were looking for some way to help our business grow, and they helped us with a value-added grant. We actually got a USDA value-added grant, the SBDC. They helped us in writing the grant, a lot of networking to help us contact the right people to write the feasibility studies. So much of the paperwork that you have to do for these grants, which helped us to get the blueberry juice into the school systems here in Georgia.
I think as business owners, working with the SBDC has increased our awareness, but it also doesn't let you get stuck in a kind of a stagnant type business. It's allowing you to constantly grow with the times. The social media facets that we're not necessarily, we're farms, so we don't get up and Snapchat and social media, and they have classes on stuff like that, or we want to grow our business, import, export. They offer us some different options, and they're just always constantly trying to help us grow. So we use them on a monthly, a quarterly, a retraining, a new training for our business all the time. They offer all kinds of little programs, small business programs, like if you want to increase your sales and marketing, or you want to learn a new financial strategy, or if you need help with, hey, I want to do some costs of some new products. You can call them up and they help us all the time. So it's not really just that one time they helped us. I mean, it's really a continuing partnership all the way through. And they're a big part of our business. They're an intricate part of our business, actually. If I need to call and I've got a question, they're actually the first people I call.